How to use Allstate auto insurance as a properly beginner. Mistakes that cost you. Allstate is one of America's most recognized auto insurers, but many drivers make mistakes that cost them money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that not all policies cover what you think they do. One common mistake is opting for minimum liability coverage to save money. While this meets legal requirements, it may not cover all damages or medical costs in a serious accident. Adding collision and comprehensive coverage ensures your car and finances are protected. Another frequent error is mismanaging deductibles. Low deductibles increase your premium, while high deductibles save money but require you to pay more after a claim. Balance your deductible with your budget and risk tolerance. Failing to update your policy is also costly. Moving, adding a teen driver, or purchasing a new car can change your coverage needs. Ignoring these updates may result in gaps or denied claims. Skipping discounts is another mistake. Allstate offers savings for bundling policies, accident-free records, safe driving, and certain car safety features. Not using them can add hundreds to your yearly premium. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay payment. Always document accidents, report promptly, and communicate with your claims representative to avoid reduced payouts. By avoiding these mistakes, Allstate Auto Insurance can work effectively for you. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This gives you full protection and peace of mind on the road.